Come on down 3 more times. Right arm. 1, 2, 3. Cross that right on over. So to keep it easier for yourself,
Bring it in front of me.
we're always going to walk out with the right hand. Cross it open. Boom. Plank up. Oh, flat back up. 1, 2, 3. Cross it. So did you notice how that first time we just walked out with a 4 count?
Yep.
But this time, one more time. Open it up. Walk back. Prayer flat back. Last time. We walk out for 3 counts to give us time to step and cross. 4. Oh, this feels so good on the abs. I feel like you're sculpting them. Open it up. Walk it back. And flat back.
Circle the arms. Reverse, low lunge. Now stack those shoulders. Half moon, sweep it up. Connect to Atlas. Let's go back to that creeper. Step to your left. Give me 3. 3, 2, knees up. Low lunge. Down. Single leg downward dog. Come on, let's push through it.